What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today we're checking out the Winnebago Access 26RL. This travel trailer is great for small families or couples who want additional sleeping spots. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Winnebago Access 26RL. This travel trailer has quite a bit to offer for the size and the price of it. It's got dual axle, dual entry, a really large awning on the campsite, and so much to offer on the inside. But before we tour it, let's take a quick look at the specs. So you have an exterior length of 30 feet 1 inch, a total height of 11 feet 5 inches, a gross vehicle weight rating of 8,800 pounds, so pretty lightweight, a dry weight of 6,454 pounds, and this travel trailer sleeps 5. Alright, so when this video was filmed at the Florida RV Super Show, this RV had a show price of $27,999. So starting on the outside, you have solid steps on the rear entry and aluminum tread steps up front, a 21-foot awning with LED strip lights, and pass-through storage. Let's check out the inside. Alright, so this RV has 2 entry doors. Up front, you've got a large queen-size bed. You got lots of cabinet space on each side, and then you've got a shelf up above. In the middle of this RV, you have a bathroom. So this right here is kind of like a mid-bath setup where you have your bedroom up front and your bathroom in the center, and then your living and kitchen and dining room area all in the back. Now, something that I really like about this is that it has a second entry door. That way your access to the front bedroom isn't only restricted to just this area. You've got a porcelain toilet. You've got a really large size shower. The height is actually pretty decent in this one. And then you've got a large mirror with a small size sink, and then a vanity, or your cabinet in the vanity. You've got a little shelf space up here, top cabinet, hand towel holder, an outlet, and then you've got a little countertop ledge with some storage space below. Then over here you've got your refrigerator. You got your fridge on the bottom and your freezer up on the top, probably 12 volt. And then over here you've got your kitchen area. You've got a large farmhouse sink. And then you've got some cabinet space up here. And this RV does have ducted air. Over here you've got your microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and then some more storage space beneath the sink, as well as a large pull-out drawer. And then over here you have your entertainment center with a large TV on a pull-out swivel mount. And then you've got some cabinet space up above. And then down here you have this little countertop ledge, some more cabinet space, and some pull-out drawers. Over to the back you've got a large theater seat with windows that wrap around on all sides, cabinet space up above, and then you have some cabinets and charging outlets on the side. Then over here you have your large U-shaped dinette. Got some cabinet space underneath of each seat, and then this right here drops down into probably about a twin-size bed. So that's really nice because this is a very long U-shaped dinette. Alright, so that is going to do it for the tour of this Winnebago Access 26RL. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.